So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin ang isang matindi po na nilabas po na rumor nito po si Homer Sison. Homer Sison po kabola, hindi po Snow Badwa ang naglabas po ng rumor na pag-uusapan natin as the main discussion po ng video po na ito kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindutin mo po yung subscription button. Now for the first time ever, may pag-uusapan tayo nangyari sa PVL kabola, liga po ng volleyball. They allow a swap of players between sister team Akari and NX LED kabola, which is of course very surprising. Ano po, even in the PBA kabola, hindi na-allow, diba? Kailangan may conduit team o pangatlong teams before mag-trade po or mag-swap ng mga players. Ito pong mga sister team sa PBA, pero sa PBL they allowed it kabola, straight swap kumbaga, no? So, explain naman dito, they have an heated argument, etc. Pero, dapat iwasan ito ng PBL, kabola, ano? Dapat iwasan po nilang ma-associate in any ways sa mga maling nangyayari po sa PBA. And for them to actually allow something that is worse than what is happening in the PBA, kabola, should alarm a lot of fans, kabola. Ano po, I do not even care about the explanation of it, that it's fair, etc. No? It's di yan yung issue. The issue for this one is the image, kabola. And of course, technically talaga, hindi yan maganda eh. If you allow it now, kahit pasabihin mo, hindi na halos susunod, how can you sure? Diba? Kabola, kasi inalaw mo na eh. Pwede nang sabihin ng mga susunod eh. Inalaw nyo na dati, but ayaw nyo na sa amin. Diba, kabola? So, ingat-ingat po ang PBL. So, kabola, Scotty Thompson, yan, nabigyan na siya ng article, he's missing in action. I wonder if this is because of, yun nga, kakagaling niya lang sa injury, kabola. Hindi naman sa hindi siya 100% healed, pero of course, kinakapapa niya yung laro niya, kabola. Pero kung ako sa Meralco, of course, bantay-bantayan pa rin nila si Scotty Thompson, kasi pag nahanap dito, kabola, yung laro niya, mag-ingat-ingat sila, kabola, kasi alam naman natin kung gaano rin kabangis po ang pwede pong may contribute po ng isang Scotty Thompson, kabola. Lalo-lalo na, ano, na-rebounding po ang number 1 na Mayani, kabola, for Meralco in Game 2. Kaya naipanalo po nila yon. So, yan alam naman natin, yun yung biggest selling point ng isang Scotty Thompson. Now, we have an article here. It was written a few weeks or a week ago. Chot made us believe we can compete, sabi po ni Coach Tim Cone. I wonder why, ano, binibigyan pa rin, or pinupuri pa rin talaga si Coach Chot Reyes, kabola. Diba, parang, kumbaga, may nangyayari na para pong pinapaganda, kabola, yung current po. And Coach Tim continue to do that, kabola. And I wonder why, diba? I wonder why. Sabi niya dito, I feel like Chot gave us the feel that we can play with these guys, kabola. He did it in 2014 with Argentina and all those great teams and went all the way to the last minute. So, hindi naman natin yan, ano eh. Hindi naman tayo magdi-disagree dyan eh. That they can compete under Coach Chot Reyes. Pero yun nga, kabola, diba? We also saw them struggle, kabola. We also saw them fail, kabola. And what if we have a different coach and maybe the performance was better, diba? Kabola, during those times. So, I mean, I'm not sure what Coach Tim Cone is trying to do here. But overall, they should stop already trying to reciprocate or reciprocate, kabola, yung image po ng isang Coach Chot Reyes. Now, ito nga po yung rumor na pag-usapan natin from Homer Sison. Now that he has played the full season, the rules allow former number 1 pick Stephen Holt to be traded. Per multiple sources, a deal that would send the presumptive Rookie of the Year to Ginebra is increasingly gaining traction, sabi po dito ni Sir Homer Sison. By the way, I'm trying to debunk this kasi first, yung rule po na sinasabi niya, it was already stated in the past that it was not true or the rule is not already in place, kabola, diba? So, for him to use that again in this post, parang mag-raise a question mark to me kung totoo po ito, kabola. Pero naman natin, Homer Sison, may sources din po yan. So, malamang, meron din siyang pinahugutan dito. Baka yung unang part lang yung mali. Siguro, kabola. So, kabaka-boys, pero yun, naniwala ba kayo? Halt to Ginebra in the off-season. Kami lang po sa baba.